Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to begin. Open PowerPoint and choose blank or a template to save time. Once done, set the slide size to 16, 9 or 4, 3 because layout affects spacing later. Make sure to save the file now, name it, and enable auto-save if you use OneDrive. Then pick a theme, adjust primary colors and fonts so every new slide inherits a consistent style. This saves editing work and keeps your deck professional as you add content. Now focus on building slides efficiently. First, open Slide Master to create reusable layouts and place consistent headers, footers, and content placeholders. This speeds repetition. Next, add text boxes, images, and charts. Align elements with guides and turn on grid snapping so spacing is even. When you need focus, apply simple animations like fade or a short motion path. Use them for emphasis only, because too many. Finish by rehearsing in Slide Show mode to check timings, speaker notes, and presenter view, practice transitions and pauses. Once satisfied, export as PDF for print or MP4 for video playback. If sharing editable slides, use package presentation to include linked files and embedded fonts. If something breaks, troubleshoot by reinstalling missing fonts, re-embedding images, or updating broken links. And make sure file paths aren't pointing to removable drives. Finally, test the final file on the target device before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.